kettle and pan here on 2 stoves and a sink for us to do washing.
Wait, where's the toilet? Hey, where are you going?
This shit! And we have arrived in the north of New Zealand. So we'll be spending about 6 days here exploring this area. But this time it's going to be a little different because we have a camper van. We're living out of this van and that means we have to eat, sleep, shit, do everything inside this van. So it's a self-contained van, so means even the toilet bowl is inside the van. So let's take a look at our camper van. It's our bed. Here is the area where it becomes a table if you want to, or a bed, 2 stoves, a sink.
Wait, where's the toilet? I don't know how to feel about this. It's just... look at it!
Are you ready to shit in this hole? One thing you really need to get when you're traveling to Campervan is fuel chairs. Right. Perfect. Thank you so much. Alright, I got this. There are 3 different camping sites in New Zealand. You have the Freedom camping sites, the DOC campsites, and holiday parks. And today we are in a holiday park in Rotorua. And I think one thing very cool about holiday parks is that you get to charge your gear. So by paying a bit, the holiday parks actually give you lots of facilities. There's a laundry room, there's a fully equipped kitchen, and also toilets, which you don't have in Freedom camping sites. And the best thing about the toilets is that there is hot water. Rotorua is also known to be a place of geothermal activity. There are a lot of different thermal pools around here. And in the holiday parks in Rotorua, you even have mineral hot pools. They have different pools with different temperatures and it's perfect for morning dip.
Oh, it's 99 degrees. Actually not that hot.
Try not to get beers over here because the beers are quite expensive. You have a pint here, it's like $6.90. So your alternative alcohol is wine. Because here wine is cheap. It's like $10. And they're actually very good because some of them are actually made over here. And the perfect pairing when you are in New Zealand is pairing wine with cheese and rice crackers and it makes a perfect chill night.
As you're leaving Mount Cook, there's this salmon store right at the edge of Lake Pukaki, and they sell king salmon sashimi. It was $10 for 100 grams, but they have this buy one get one free. Yeah.
This is what is waiting for you at the edge of Lake Pukaki, so you have to come here and get really nice salmon.
And the best thing about this is that even though this is New Zealand they still actually give us wasabi soy sauce, so Asians out there don't need to worry. We can still eat, got chopsticks also, and you're doing all this with a freaking beautiful view.
How is it? Can you say anything? Speechless.
We are having breakfast with our lovely host over here, Claire. And Yumin, who's also working over here as well. And this whole breakfast that we are having is homemade. We have bread that she baked and a whole lot of jam.
Also homemade.
Also homemade, yeah.
Made with love.
Yeah.
You know who's cleaning the kitchen later, right?
Not me. Breakfast is served.
Happy.
So today we have mashed potato, bacon, scrambled eggs, and garlic toast. All in the comfort of our camper van. I think it's been a pretty interesting experience finally trying this out. We've always been seeing it on videos about van life, no hashtag van life. But then, this is our first time actually trying this out, and what do you guys think?
The best part about this is freedom camping. You can stay by a lake, you can sleep anywhere you like. You can cook dinners out in the open. I think that's pretty nice too.
This is literally your home on wheels. Minus the toilet, but you got your bed, you got your kitchen, you have the driver's seat in front, and you're basically set for the road.
Yeah, okay, but let's be real, guys. There were some problems we met along the way. What were your biggest problems?
Space. I mean, every day you're playing Tetris. Oh, if you have luggage, don't stay in the campervan. Really, when you have a hard shell of luggage, right, it's really hard to move things around.
Will you guys do it again?
10 to 10, for sure.
Yeah. Everyone should at least try once in their life because it's really very different from traveling and staying in a hotel or staying in a hostel. So that's it from our first-hand campervan experience. Bye-bye.
Didn't seem to do you any good.